They don't take maths one. Okay, the taking maths one all very strong. Right. Okay, can see the textbook? Someone on mic?
Can.
Okay, so I will go through this last part already of these chapters. Then after that, only we go back to the day homework. Okay, so this is the application. Okay, so you see these are the question in words. Okay, then they will not tell you know what to do or what. You have to know by yourself. You have to relate it to this trigo. Okay, so you look at the questions. Okay, this is in the textbook page 224. Okay, AE represent the height of a building. You see the angle of elevations of A, the angle of elevation, this one you have learned during your, I think Form 1, okay, under Form 1 syllabus. So you see, no, Form 1 until Form 4, yes, confirm. Okay, Form 1 until Form 3, what you have learned for your modern maths, you cannot say, no need already, okay, all can throw, cannot, okay. Even your modern maths, they were tested. Even your maths, it will be somehow, it's related. So you cannot say, teacher, I forgot already, or what is this angle of elevation or what? Okay, you have to do revision on this. Okay, so now I help you. If they say this is the angle of elevations, angle of elevation of A from point B. Okay, from point B means you are standing at here, this point B. You are looking up. Okay, elevation is looking up to the A. Okay, so is the angle of elevation of A from point B. Okay, you have to draw a horizontal line through the point B. The one from means you are standing here. Then you have to draw a horizontal line. Okay, and then B to A, you draw a line. Okay, so these two lines, the angle in between, that is the angle of elevation of A from the B. Okay, so of A from B is theta, so here label theta. Of A from C, okay, so now C, okay, you join to A, okay, here is 2 theta, and then of A from D, here is 3 theta. Okay, this question is quite good because they help you to label in the diagram already. But some of the question, they can be very naughty. They just give you this without label on the diagram. Then you got to know which angle refer to this theta, 2 theta, and 3 theta. Okay, if you mark wrongly or you don't know where is this the angle of elevation, then this question cannot do already. You just stop here. Okay, so the point B, C, D, E lies on the horizontal straight line. Okay, so B, C, D, E, this is a straight line. Okay, then BC, okay, also label here, BC is 11, CD is 5, and then AE is H, and then DE is X. All labeled already in the diagram. Okay, find the height of the building in terms of the X. Means they want you to find H in terms of the X. Okay, H on the left hand side. Okay, then the other things is on the right hand side, and then here must have the X. Okay, don't want the theta. Don't want the theta. Okay, then how to do this question? I think we have to try to relate. Okay, you see a right angle triangle. So this is a right angle triangle. Okay, a right angle here. This angle 3 theta, this is opposite with the angle, and this is adjacent. So I'm using 2 O over A. Okay, therefore the first equation that I can write is tangent 3 theta is equal to O over A. O is H. Okay, A is X. Okay, you can see a little bit already. I have the x, I have the h and the x, but remember, I don't want the theta. Okay, so slowly you have to get rid of this theta. Okay, how? Okay, I can see another right angle triangle. Yeah, this one. Okay, that refer to this angle 2 theta. Okay, same thing, this one will be the opposite, but now the adjacent will become this, the whole thing. Okay, so now I write out. So tangent 2 theta is equal to O. O is a H. A is the phi plus the X. Okay, so this is the second equation that I have. Okay, now I look for the third one. Okay, I'm going to write out whatever I have. Okay, so after that, I'm going to use it. Okay, the third one, the biggest triangle. Same thing, this is another right angle triangle. Okay, if I refer to this angle, this is the opposite, and here will be the adjacent. Okay, same, I'm going to use tangent. Okay, now tangent theta is equal to O over A. O is H, A is 11 plus 5, 16, and then plus the X. This whole length. Okay, now I'm ready with 1, 2, 3, these three, these three, these three equations. Okay, remember my purpose is get rid of this theta. Okay, this theta I must change in terms of the X and the H. At the end, I only want the H and the X. I don't want the theta anymore. Okay, now how to change this theta? Okay, what I can see, actually 3 theta is made up of the theta plus 2 theta. Okay, let us try. Okay, so tangent 3 theta, instead of 3 theta, now I write it as theta plus 2 theta equals to H over X. You see, this 3 theta, I follow this formula. This 3 theta, now I change to theta plus 2 theta. Okay, 1 plus 2, so it's 3 theta, correct? Okay, now I have to use my identity. Okay, I call out my formula. Wait. Okay, the addition formula, A plus B. Okay, because I have a theta plus 2 theta. Okay, so tangent A plus tangent B. Okay, I'm going to use this. Okay, I capture. I'm going to use this formula. You must be very sensitive with this formula. You must be very pandai to choose which formula to use. I cannot paste here. Sorry. Wait, minimize a little bit. Okay, I'm going to copy down here. I cannot, when I write this one, okay, I minimize this one also. Okay, I write here. So you see, I'm going to use this formula, tangent A plus B. Okay, so it's equal to tangent A plus tangent B 1 minus tangent A times tangent B. Okay, I get a formula already. I come back to here. Okay, now the A is theta. Okay, the B is 2 theta. Okay, therefore, I'm going to write it as this formula. So tangent A, so it's tangent theta. Tangent B is tangent 2 theta. 1 minus tangent A is tangent theta again. Tangent B, tangent 2 theta. H over X. After that, your tangent theta, you replace with the H over 16 plus X. Tangent 2 theta, you replace with H over 5 plus X. Then, no more theta. For this and this term also the same. Okay. But before that, I don't want to, I know it will become very complicated is because you have a lot of fraction. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I cross multiply first. Okay, so that, okay, I have the x times with this, so I write it as x times with the tangent theta. Okay, now I substitute already. H 16 plus x, okay, plus tangent to theta, h 5 plus x. Okay, then the other one, h times this thing. So h times 1 minus tangent theta is h 16 plus x. Okay, tangent to theta is h 5 plus x. Okay, I think it will look better. Okay, so remember your question is h must be on the left. And so now you have to try to combine, try to rearrange. It look complicated, okay? I capture this. I move it into the other place, because I think no space for me already. So now continue. This is we call MS. Okay, no, the more complicated, okay, the teacher more happy lah. But you are not happy lah. Okay, so first of all, you see the fraction plus the fractions. Okay, so your algebra must be very strong. Okay, fraction plus a fraction, you have to have try to have how to say the same denominator. Okay, example 1 over 2 plus 1 over 3. You must times 3, and then times 2, times 2. This is the meaning. Okay, so when you have this kind of questions, you have to think back. Okay, if all this is number and then small number, okay, what you will do? Then you will not make mistake. Okay, so the x, leave it first. Okay, I'm going to combine these two. Okay, so this one, okay, you see at the end what you're going to get? 2 times 3, right? Okay, I'm too fast. One is 3 and then 6. This is 2 and then 6. And then you're going to do like this, correct? So I'm going to get the denominator, the common denominator by this times this. So 16 plus x times 5 plus x. Okay, and then, okay, h times this, h times this. Okay, so here h times 5 plus x plus h times 16 plus x. Okay. I hope this one will help. Okay, by writing this, I hope you know, okay, where I get this whole thing. Okay, if not, my step will be very long. Okay, next, the right hand side one. Okay, 1 minus this. Okay, now example, you have 1 over 2 times 1 over 3. This is the case of this one. Okay, so what you're going to do? Okay, numerator times numerator only, 1 times 1, denominator times denominator, 2 times 3, Okay, so do the same thing for this. So 1 minus, okay, h times h is h squared. Okay, then the bottom, 16 plus x times 5 plus x. Okay, next, 1 minus a fraction. Okay, now you assume you have a 1 minus 1 over 3. What are you going to do? Change this become 3 over 3. Okay, so 1 minus, okay, you see, I'm going to use back the same denominator. Okay, then here I'm going to write as a 3 minus 1 over 3. Okay, so I'm going to write it as this way. Okay, the denominator, share the denominator, common denominator here. Okay, and then 1 actually is this over this. Okay, so 16 plus x, 5 plus x, okay, minus the h squared. Okay, I hope I'm not running too fast. Okay, then the x here, the h If I copy back, why I don't expand? Some of you maybe will wonder, hey teacher, why your denominator, you keep writing only, you don't want to expand? Because until this stage, you see the denominator the same, you can cut. So you don't expand. Okay, now I continue. Okay, now you can start your expansion. Okay, but remember, you will need the H at the end or on the left. Okay, but I still now not ready to see it. I can see a little bit. Actually, the H here, you can factor out. Okay, so HX. So the balance inside is 5 plus X plus 16 plus X. Okay, if your algebra not good, you will tend to go expansion, and then your step will be very long. Okay, I'm not sure whether I should expand this or not. I think I should. Or I leave it first. I'm not sure. I leave it first, because I'm not sure. Okay, next you see the H and the H you can cut. Okay, so I continue. So you see here, you only have X. Here you only have X. Here you have the X squared. Your answer is very near already. Okay, here I'm going to combine first X plus X to X. Okay, 5 plus 16 is 21. Okay, here without this bracket, because outside got nothing already, so you can just ignore this bracket already. Ignore this bracket already. So now you have 16 plus X, 5 plus X, and then minus H squared. Okay, so the minus H squared, I'm going to drag it into left-hand side, so become positive H squared. Okay, this one, I think I should expand, because here you still have a X squared. Okay, I think I had to expand and then combine it. Okay, now I expand. X times X, X squared. 16 times 5. 80. Okay, the middle term is 5x and 16x add up. So 21x. Okay. Then these two terms are going to move this side, become minus. Okay, I'm quite close to the answer already, because H is only on the left. Okay, on the right, no H anymore. I just need to, expand this and then combine it. Okay, 2x squared. Negative, positive is negative, 21x. Okay, now x squared and the minus 2x squared, I have a negative x squared. Okay, this and this gone. Okay, plus 80. Okay, so I'm going to write it as 80 minus x squared. Okay, last step, because the height, you don't take, because this is the height, the H represent the height of the building, so you don't take negative. If not, here have to a plus minus. Okay, square root. Okay, so this is the height of the building, so you remain the positive answer only. Okay, so this is the final answer. 80 minus x squared, the whole thing square root it. Okay, correct? My answer is same as the textbook. Okay, so actually, you see the whole parts. This part is quite difficult and confusing. Okay, for those algebra not good, okay, I'm pretty sure you will make mistake here and there. Okay, and then wasting your time. Okay, but the first part, if you get the trigo correct, you can form this triangle and then try to break the 3 theta, become using the addition formula, become the theta plus 2 theta, and then try to substitute until this step I can say good enough. Okay, I can guess if you are able to write until this step, if let's say this question is 5 marks, okay, you will get 4 marks already, maybe. So if you feel the following step like just now that one is too complicated for you leave it first. Okay, when you finish other questions already, still got time, okay, relax already, only slowly do. Because this kind of a question, they don't want to test you your algebra one actually. They want to test you your trigo. They want to see whether you can form the three equation or not. They want to see whether you can break the 3 theta become theta plus 2 theta by using the addition formula or not, and then replace the tangent theta, tangent 2 theta with whatever you have just now, and then form this equation. This is good enough already actually. Okay, okay, so this is applications. Okay, that's all for this chapter. Okay, but I would like to revise a little bit for the previous subtopic, which is this one. Okay, may I know the homework that I gave you? You don't have answer? How? Have you done? Do you have the answer? I don't think I gave you the answer. Just type to me, you did say you didn't do yet, or you have started a bit already, or whatever. Takkan you want me to ask one by one? Who is the most hardworking in your class? 来 Vanessa, are you hardworking? No. Okay. Su Peng, are you hardworking? Oh, Wei Jian is the most hardworking one. Okay, Wei Jian, have you finished? Jingzi recommend Wei Jian. Jian, Wei Jian, finish or not? Then everyone will copy from her, is it? She did do. She put do means what? You finish or not yet? Not yet. Okay, until which one you do, may I know? Who else is more hardworking than Wei Jian? In this case, in this exercise, who else? Like that, Su Ping, like Su Ping, Wei Jian, recommend you. She calling help. You do liao you do finish or not, Su Ping? Finish already only Su Ping do finish? Okay, the rest type lah. Have you start? You can say lah, I finished 2 questions only. I didn't start at all. Then I will know ma. Jingzi finish or not? Your friend ask you. You all ting tong tiang, come back to yourself. Right, Jingzi? Have you start or finish or whatever? The rest also type. Come on, everyone. Let me know. I will not scold you. Haven't start yet. Want to clap hand for you. The rest, is it like Jingzi or like Wei Jian start a little bit? Or anyone else like Su Peng?
Honestly, the best policy, I never start because I'm doing folio.
You what? Because you what?
I'm doing folio.
Hey, so your folio finish already no?
No, Nyaga still got accounts hanta already.
Huh? Naga still got
Yeah.
I can tell you every year the same one, Every year how I teach the how to say the art stream class for MS every year the same one, especially the Miss Tam is the teacher. I have to give way to Miss Tam one. y'all will not do my exercise when Miss Tam chase after y'all the kerja khusus. Every year the same. So how when lesson on, is it y'all still is doing the kerja khusus or y'all listen to me? I got
No. Like homework all right. We stop for a while like that. Then I'll continue back now.
Okay. In that case, okay, Su Ping, I don't want to waste your time lah, but you can listen to us. I will go through, I will see how many questions I can go through with them. I go through with them more. Okay, you while listen to me, you can do this exercise. The rest, okay, because the previous one you didn't do yet, so I don't think you will want to do this exercise. Okay, but Su Ping, if you feel like it's not fair, why only you doing, you can don't want to do also. Okay, this exercise, Su Ping. Okay, the rest is up to you. You want to do or you don't want to do. Okay, for this exercise. But the previous exercise that I snap photo and send into the group one, you have to do. But now I will go through. Okay, see how many questions I can go through. Okay, so now we start. I will call name, I will ask one by one. Okay. Where's the questions? Okay, wait for a while. The question is here. Okay, so Su Ping, from here you will know the answer Okay, while your friends are and when your friends is answering or it's your turn, you also have to answer Okay, so this is the questions. Okay, the rest I know you didn't start or whatever. For those didn't start, okay, take out your exercise book. Okay, while I asking your friend or maybe your turn, okay, then you also doing. Okay, so the first questions. Okay, I have to call out the list. Lavania. Okay, Ravania, can you tell me the alpha here? You can direct straight away tell me the answer. You want to tell me the step also can, then after that followed by the answer. Ravania here? Okay, can you tell me the alpha? Alpha is the corresponding angle in the first quadrant. Okay, Ravania can do or not? If you don't know how to answer, just say don't know. Then afterwards, when you listen to your friend how to do already, then I come back to you. Okay, so next girl is who?
Is it 61 or
Who
60?
is this?
Kitika.
Kritika, I don't want to give you mark Yo. Yeah, it's 61. Okay, can you explain to me how to get the 61?
Shift tangent 1.804.
Okay, Ravania, okay or not? Okay, so you get 61 degree. Okay. Okay, next girl is who? Okay, next girl is a Rosanna. Rosanna, can you please tell me? Okay, tangent x is positive here. Okay, so it's in which quadrant? Okay, I can guide you. Or science teacher crazy. Okay, she say 1 and 3. Okay, 1 and 3. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3. Okay, 3 is tangent positive, correct? And this is 4. Okay, so 1 and 3. Okay, Rosanna, Mama. Okay, now Charlene. Okay, so Charlene, can you give me the answer? Your friend already tell the answer is in the first and the third quadrant. Okay, so first quadrant, what is the answer should be, and then third quadrant, what is the answer should be. You can write out the step before give me the answer. Is Shereen here? Okay, Serene, can you answer the question? What is the X? One is in the first quadrant, one is in the third quadrant. If you don't know, then you just don't say don't know. Oh, Celine? Huh? Very good point one. How you get the point? Okay, this is not the correct answer. Okay, can I have a Shuda? Shuda. Is Shuda here? 76 No. How you get 76? Okay, don't know. Okay, Sirania. Sirania can do or not? Shuda, I think last lesson you are not with me, huh? So you don't know anything, huh? You didn't see back the video, Okay, is Sirania here? Yeah, you can try again. Okay, depend on Sirania who fast. Give me the answer in the first and the third quadrant. 6-1 and 2-4-1. Okay, Serene, can you please tell me how you get the 2-4-1? Okay, very good. 180 plus 61. Okay, because in the third quadrant, okay, you have to do 180 plus the alpha. The alpha here is 61. Okay, therefore, she got 180 plus 61. So The answer is 6-1 and another one is 2-4-1. Okay, thank you, Charlene. You learn, Okay, Siranya, you do question number 2. Okay, what is the alpha? Is Siranya here?
Seventy-five degree 40 minutes.
Can you hear? I cannot hear you. For
75 degree 40 minutes.
40 minutes. Okay. So you all like to in minute. Actually, I don't like to in minute. Unless the question asks you to do in minute. But the book answer is in minute. But I don't like the minute. Okay. Straight away from your calculator. Better you all don't put in minute.
75.67.
Sorry, 75.67.
67.
Okay, let me check. Okay, I call out my calculator. Wait. Okay, shift cost. Okay, 0.2475. Okay, give this answer. Don't want change to in the degree and minute, unless the question asks you to use a degree and minute. Okay, so 6-7 correct. Okay, my next questions. Okay, Jingzi. Where's my question? Okay, Jingzi, can you please tell me cos positive is in which quadrant? One and 4. Okay, she say 1 and 4. How to write 4? Okay, 4 lah. 1 and 4. 1 and 4. Okay, correct. The fourth quadrant. Okay, cos is positive. Okay, next. So what is the x? Who is the next girl? Anissa. Line. She write for me answer. Okay, may I know how do you get the 284.33? Okay, 360 minus. Okay, this one is in the fourth quadrant. You got to use 360 minus the alpha. Okay, so 284.33. Okay, so this is the answer. Okay, thank you, Vanessa. Okay, we can go to the next questions already. Where's my questions? Here. Okay, this is the next 2 questions. More and more difficult one, you will see. This is question 3 and question 4. Okay, honeys. May I know cosecant is 1 over what? Honeys here. Okay. Sine x. Very good. Okay. Therefore, If I do this way, so 2 sine x is equal to 1. Therefore, sine x is equal to 1 over 2. Next, continue. What is the alpha? I think I come back to just now already. Okay, so 2 more girls didn't answer yet is Ravania and Sudha. Okay, Ravania first. What is the alpha? Ravania still here? Okay, shift sign 0.5, so you get 30. Test and see. Shift sign 0.5, I get 30. Very good. Okay, next will be Sudha. Sudha, can you answer my questions? Okay. This one sign positive. In which quadrant? Okay, quadrant 1 and 2. Very good. Right. Okay, this one finished already. So I come back to the first girl. She's not here, Farah, today. Okay, Suping. Right, very easy questions. Can you tell me what is the x?
30 and 150.
150. How do you get 150? May I know?
180 minus 30.
180 minus the alpha, which is a 30. Okay, so in the second quadrant, you have to use 180 minus alpha. Okay, so these two are the answer. Okay, very good. Now we go to number 4. Lydia not here. Okay, Shahira. Can you please tell me second x is 1 over what?
1 over cos.
Okay, cos x. Okay, so this one, same thing. Another way of doing this type of question is this one you turn upside down. So this one also you turn upside down. So it becomes this. Yeah. Okay, next. What is the alpha? Remember, for the alpha, in this case with the negative, okay, when you press calculator, don't press the negative. Okay, I already give you the hints. Okay, so who is the next girl? Okay, Untong lo, next girl. Viviana, 来 What's answer for the alpha? -45°. Okay, so I don't check answer. The rest, if she give me a wrong answer, tell me. Why you sad face? Because too easy for you, huh? Right? Oh, so fast. Come back to Ravania. Okay, Ravania, can you please tell me cos negative is in which quadrant? Is Ravania here? Come back to you already so fast. Sorry. Ravania. Okay, 3 and 4. Let me check. 3 and 4, meh? Correct, meh? I don't think so, lor. Means 1 and 2 is positive for cos? No lah. Okay. Next girl. Rosaina. Okay, bye-bye. Ravania, after you try again. 1 cannot be negative. 1 is always positive. Quadrant 1 is always positive. Okay, never mind. You wait for a while lah. You try another time. Rosaina, can you please tell me cos negative is in which quadrant? Rosanna here. Negative mana boleh quadrant 1. Okay, next girl. Rosanna, you try another time. Okay, Sarah. Negative 4. Negative, in quadrant 1 or positive. Okay, you see, cos positive is in this and this quadrant. So cos negative is in this and this quadrant. Second and the third quadrant. Why Sarah red color and angry face? Oh, someone put for her one, not she put by herself, Is it she put by herself or what? Okay, I don't understand all this. Never mind. Okay, so we didn't put. Okay, so for the second quadrant, remember is 180 minus the alpha. Third quadrant is 180 plus the alpha. Can I have the next answer? Berlin, okay, can you please tell me the answer? I already got you. Shereen here. Can you please tell me what is the X? Sarah said it's in the second and the third quadrant. One, 3, 5, okay. The first one is 180 minus 45. So she say is 135. The other one. Okay, she said is 225. Okay, which is 225 I should write here, which is 180 plus 45. Okay, so correct, Shereen, very good. And next come to Sudha already. Okay, so next question 5 and 6. More and more difficult. Okay, these are 2x and 2x. Remember that your x is from 0 to 360. Okay, so 2x, it will double up. Okay, 0 times 2 is still 0, but here 360 times 2, it will become 720. Okay, so this question, you got 4 answers. You have to go one more round. Okay, so we start with the same thing, the alpha. Shuda, can you please tell me what is the alpha here? Don't care about the 2x, just as usual. Just press the calculator. Shift sign. Is Shuda here or not? Okay, 54, thank you. Okay, so the alpha is 54. Or science teacher crazy. Okay, next girl. Siranya. Okay, sign positive, which quadrant?
1 and 2.
1 and 2. Okay, now I want to write out my 2x, not x, because here is 2x, so Here you have to write back as 2x. What is my 2x for the first two answer? Alright? For the first two answer. Which is in the first and the second quadrant. Okay, very fast, you see. 54. Okay, second quadrant 126, which is 180 minus 54. Okay, how about the third and the fourth answer? Who is the next girl? Sophia, do you know? Okay, is Sophia here? Okay, do you know how to get the third and the fourth answer? This one already go another round. Okay, come. So what's the answer? Okay, 414. How do you get the 414? 360 plus 54. Okay, 414. The other one is 360 plus 126. Okay, so you get 486. I don't check, huh? Okay, I hope it's correct, huh? Okay, so remember the first answer you plus 360, you get the third answer. Second answer you plus 360, okay, you get the fourth answer because you need to go one more round. You see the 2x is still in this range, 0 to 720. Okay, now continue. What is the x? Okay, so all these four you got to divide by 2. Okay, I want someone to tell me the answer. Okay, next, Sonia 3. Sonia 3 here or not? Okay, can you please tell me the answer? After divide by 2, what is the answer? Okay, 27, 63, 207, and 243. Okay, correct. Next is Xingzi. Okay, Xingzi, now we do number 6. Okay, number 6 is here. I got to write back the questions. Okay, number 6, tangent to x, negative. Okay, so first, I want the alpha. Remember, don't put the negative. So shift tangent 2.458. Okay, can you please tell me the alpha answer? Okay, 67.86. Okay, then this tangent with a negative. Tangent with the negative in which quadrant? Who is the next girl? Okay, Vanessa. Vanessa here or not? Okay, tangent negative, which quadrant? Okay, very good. Quadrant 2 and 4. Because tangent positive is 1 and 3. So negative is 2 and 4. Okay, now I'm going to write out for 2x. The first two answer. Hanis? Hanis here? Anis here or not? Eh? Maybe she go toilet or what? Okay. So maybe Ravania can help. Oh, okay. Now come the answer. Hanis, there are two answers. Okay, so you give which one? This, I guess, is in the second quadrant. 112.14. Okay, the other one is in the fourth quadrant. Second quadrant is 180 minus. Okay, correct. Two 292.14. Okay, 360 minus the alpha. I don't know. Let us check. She put question mark, then I worry already. Minus. Okay, correct. Okay, Ravania, can you continue with the third one and the fourth one? Is Ravania here? Ravania here or not? Okay, if she's not here, then Rosanna. Rosanna here or not? Okay. Rosanna, you wait for a while. She start answering already. So 652.14. This one plus 360, yeah? Okay, this one plus 360, you get this. Okay, the next one, Ravania. No. Okay. Something wrong? Ravania, no. Okay, Rosanna, you want to try? This one also is not the third one. Faster recall back how to get the third one and how to get the fourth one. No, no. Rosanna, want to try? Okay, 472.14. Okay, Ravanya, listen. The first one plus 360 to get the third one. Okay, then 652.14. Okay, then the second one plus 360 to get the fourth one. Okay, now you do for me this, divide by 2. Ravanya. Okay, we wait for you. Ravania, can you do the last step? Okay, so the first one, 5607. Second one, 146.07. The third one, 236.07. Okay, last one. $326.07. Okay, right? Around Itika. Okay, two more questions. 7 and 8.
Try number 7.
You number 7, right? Okay, so first of all, this one, the 2 move to this side is square root 2 over 2. Okay, and then you see here, this is half x only. Okay, you see the original range is 0 to 360. So if this one become half, the two side also become half. 0 divided by 2 is still 0. 360 divided by 2 is 180. Okay, so for the half x, you remember your range is only from 0 to 180, which is first and the second quadrant only. Okay, so depend on the situation. Okay, so now we continue. Okay, look for the alpha. Can you tell me the
90.
alpha?
90.
90 meh? Square 2 over 2 or?
I mean, what? Shift sign square root 2 over 2, right? 90, I guess. Oh, did I put wrongly? Let me try. Let me try again. I get 90.
Square root 2. This is the answer. Divide by 2.
Oh, you press the divide.
Then shift sign. Like, you press again.
Square root 2 divide 2 shift sign. 45. Okay.
You put 90, my goodness.
No,
Sir,
I did what, I put shift sign and then square root 2. I put the, the pecahan one straight away. I didn't divide.
It should be no problem, but I don't know why lah.
Okay.
Maybe it read as the square root and then it read as a square root and then 2 over 2. Means inside.
Yeah, I think
therefore,
so.
this is become 1. So shift
One
sign
really.
1, you get 90 degree.
90 degree.
Okay, so you have to be careful and press calculator. Okay, so I continue. Okay, this is our alpha in 45 degree. Okay, we look at this. This is sine and then this is positive. So sine positive. Who's the next girl? Tell me in which quadrant? Suping?
1 and 2.
Oh, teacher crazy. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 1 and 2. Okay, 1 and 2. Okay, so for this range, is still inside the range 1 and 2 because the half x is 0 until 180. Okay, it's still so you still have a 2 answer. Okay, so what is the half x? Don't write x, should be half x. Okay, so there are two answers, one in the first quadrant, one in the second quadrant. Okay, so who is the next? Shahira?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, half x equals to what? One in the first quadrant, one in the second quadrant.
45 degree.
45,
Uh,
and then second quadrant one?
135.
135. Okay, you use 180 minus 45, you get 135. Okay, next, divide by 2, come this side, times 2. So who is the next? And times 2.
90 degree and 270 degree.
90, 270. Okay, so be careful. Just now, the previous question is 2x. Come to this side, divide 2. This is half x, so come this side, times 2. Okay, so this is the answer. Okay, so quite simple. Okay, check and see the x 90 to 170. Is it in this range? Yes, correct. Okay, now we go to number 8. Okay, number 8, cos 3 over 2x. Okay, the 2 move this side, become divide. Square root 3 over 2. Okay, so what is the alpha? Okay, Ravania, 9. You don't make the mistake like just now Kritika did. Okay, all these questions are some my answer in the book is in pi form lah, in the radian form. Okay, you want to put in radian also can, but I don't like radian no, huh? If unless the question say the range is in 0 to 2 pi, then you got no choice. Okay, but this one they say either one, so I would rather to put in a degree law. I don't like a radian. Ravania here or not? Ravania, I think too tired already. She answered too many questions just now. Ravania here or not? Okay. Okay, wait. We will wait. $30? Correct? I don't think so. 30 meh? Square root 3 divide by 2 shift cos the answer 30 correct but my book answer pi is what? Pi is 180 ma. 180 divide by divide by 360. Okay, don't care. I don't know. Maybe the book answer wrong or what. Okay, so 30. Any objection, let me know. Okay, so this is 30. Okay, now we come back to this. Okay, cos is positive. Okay, so in which quadrant? Rosanna? because positive. Aduhai, positive. Positive, Uzaina. Sarah? One and four. Okay, positive 1 and 4. Okay, 3 over 2x. Okay, if this range is 3 over 2x, 3 over 2x, so your 360, you got to times 3 over 2. Okay, 360 times 3 divided by 2. So it's 540. I don't know whether I need to go one more round. I guess I need. Okay, 540. This one. Okay, so I write again. The range now for 3 over 2x, it becomes 540 from 0 to 540. Okay, so now afterwards, I don't know how many answers I can have. It's either maybe 3, not 4. Okay, so 3 over 2x is equal to first two answer first. Okay, first two answer is come from the first quadrant and the fourth quadrant. Okay, where the corresponding angle is 30. Okay, Sarah, can you give me the first two answer? Okay, so first answer is 30. Okay, then the fourth answer. Okay, second answer, which is the fourth quadrant, 360 minus 30 is 330. Okay, now I need another 1 or 2 more answer. I'm not sure. Okay, so who is the next girl? Lynn, can you tell me the third and the fourth answer? Just tell first, okay? If not in the range, then we will cancel the answer. What is the third and the fourth answer? Okay, she say 390. Okay, she used the first answer at 360, so get 390. Okay, and then this one 330 plus 360 gets 690. Yeah. Okay, then you see the 690 is out of this range already, so you don't put the fourth answer. This is how you make use of the range. Okay, so you only 1, 2, 3, 3 answer. Okay, then how to get the x? Okay, so this one is times 3 over 2, so come this side become divide 3 over 2. Okay, the next girl. Shruda. Okay, get the 3, 3 answer, divide 3 over 2. Shruda here or not? Shruda, are you here? Shruda here or not? I'm not sure whether she's here or not. Sirania, you want to cut her queue?
20,
20,
220,
220,
and 260.
260.
Yes.
Okay, let us check. Okay, the first one, 30 divided by 3 over 2. Okay, 20. I guess it's correct lah. Okay. Go where already? Yeah, I think that's all for today lah. Okay, remember to fill out the attendance link. Okay, go to the chat, go up. Okay, find the links and then fill out the attendance link. Okay, this one, this pen, this file, I will send afterwards in the groups, so that you know that two girls not here one, they can have the answer. And then the rest of the questions, okay, I will just snap photo on the answer and then send in the group also, okay, so that you can refer to it. Okay, and then we come back to the textbook a while. Textbook. Okay, so this exercise is optional. Okay, for those want to do more, okay, you can try this. For those think you know is enough already, you don't want to try anymore, then forget about this. Okay, then these questions, this exercise, please try. This one will be difficult, I guess. Question 1, 2, 3. Okay, that's all. Okay, wait for a while. Yes, Sophia, why?